Imagine if the key to excelling in options trading wasn't just about crunching numbers, but about delving deep into your own psyche. What if understanding your psychological triggers could unlock new levels of trading success? Today, we explore how mastering your mind can give you a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of options trading. Join us as we unravel the mental strategies that can transform your approach to the markets. Are you ready to discover the mental edge that could set you apart? Welcome to the psychology of options trading, where we delve into the intricate mental strategies that underpin the world of high-stakes trading. In this series, we will uncover the psychological principles that have helped traders amass fortunes and avoid pitfalls. From understanding cognitive biases to developing emotional resilience, we will equip you with the tools to navigate the psychological landscape of trading. Get ready to explore the mental frameworks that drive success in the world of options trading. Meet Jesse Livermore, a legendary figure in the trading world, whose insights into market psychology were ahead of his time. In the early 20th century, Livermore recognized that successful trading was not just about understanding market trends, but also about mastering one's own emotions and biases. His ability to anticipate market movements was rooted in his deep understanding of human behavior. Livermore's story is a testament to the power of psychological insight in achieving trading success. Livermore famously remarked, "The market is never wrong, opinions often are." This profound statement underscores the importance of separating personal emotions from strategic decision-making. In trading, it's crucial to recognize that our opinions can be clouded by biases and emotions, leading us astray. By focusing on objective analysis rather than subjective feelings, traders can make more informed and rational decisions. Livermore's wisdom reminds us that the market operates independently of our personal beliefs. In the realm of options trading, the true shift in power occurs when traders become aware of the biases that cloud their judgment. Recognizing these cognitive biases is the first step towards developing a more strategic approach to trading. By shifting focus from emotional reactions to calculated strategies, traders can enhance their decision-making process. This transition from emotion-driven to strategy-driven trading is where real growth and success begin to manifest. Cognitive biases, such as overconfidence, can lead traders to take unnecessary risks, often resulting in significant losses. Understanding and acknowledging these biases is essential for maintaining a balanced and objective approach to trading. Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky's groundbreaking research on cognitive biases highlights how these mental shortcuts can distort our decision-making processes. By staying grounded and avoiding overconfidence, traders can make more rational and informed choices, ultimately leading to more consistent success. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is a powerful emotional driver that can lead to impulsive and poorly thought-out trading decisions. In the fast-paced world of options trading, it's crucial to resist the urge to chase short-term gains at the expense of long-term strategy. By focusing on a well-defined trading plan and exercising patience, traders can avoid the pitfalls of impulsive decision-making. Remember, in trading, patience and discipline often yield the best results. To truly master options trading, one effective practice is to maintain a detailed trading journal. By documenting each trade, traders can identify patterns, learn from past mistakes, and replicate successful strategies. This reflective practice not only enhances self-awareness, but also provides valuable insights into one's trading behavior. Over time, journaling can reveal trends and tendencies, helping traders refine their approach and improve their overall performance. Establishing a routine that includes regular market analysis is crucial for developing discipline and reducing emotionally driven trading decisions. Consistency in analyzing market trends and reviewing trading strategies helps traders stay focused and grounded. By making market analysis a regular part of your routine, you can build the discipline needed to make informed decisions, even in volatile market conditions. Consistency is a trader's ally, providing stability and clarity in the face of uncertainty. Finally, connecting with a network of fellow traders can be incredibly beneficial. Sharing insights, strategies, and experiences with like-minded individuals can provide new perspectives and valuable support. A strong network can offer encouragement during challenging times and celebrate successes together. By engaging with a community of traders, you can gain access to a wealth of knowledge and resources, enhancing your own trading journey. Let's Let's recap the key takeaways. Understanding your cognitive biases, maintaining a detailed trading journal, and establishing a consistent routine are crucial steps in mastering options trading. Remember, success in trading is not solely about mastering the markets, but also about mastering yourself. By focusing on these psychological aspects, you can enhance your trading performance and achieve greater success in the long run. As we conclude, remember that the greatest edge in trading lies not just in the numbers, but in the mind. By cultivating a strong psychological foundation, you can navigate the complexities of the market with confidence and clarity. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies that will empower you on your trading journey. Until next time, keep honing your mental edge and trading with purpose.